Guys, today I'll show you on how to make like a cloak out of energy shields and a sky. First of all, I'll show you on how to make something that heats up really fast. First, get a furnace. Why did that just disappeared for some reason? Get a furnace, and then you'll get like a dev generator. Like this. Then you also get an air supply. Cause I'm pretty sure it doesn't work with the air supply. And the next step to this is to spawn in hydrogen by typing this, that is short for hydrogen, and inf if you want it to last. And then once you put the hydrogen tank on the furnace, it should start getting really hot. Like hot. This is the hottest thing. I don't know if it weakens the material. Comment if it weakens. And also, if you have like a bug symbol here, because I don't have it because there's a glitch which gets rid of the bug report and some appears. But you just work without it. Yeah, see, it doesn't work without the air supply. Without air supply, and then with air supply. With air supply, it gets super hot. And most time only the same people play this game. And next, for the energy shield sky. Also, if you want to clean, just type clean into the console or /clean. That's so. What's that? This is so loud. I'm going. Well, if you want to get away from the server, simply save a large plate of perfectium, and then you can get away from the server. There's an ankle glitch which makes the ankle not connect to it if it's really far. And now for the invisibility cloak. It's very simple. I saved it, but it's very simple. All you have to do to make this work is get a bunch of shield generators, a dev battery, and a dev generator. You don't need the anchor, but I use it so I can spot it anywhere. And then you need to make all the energy shields like black, like pure black. And then if you go outside, it'll look like it doesn't exist, because it blends in perfectly with space when you make it the darkest color possible, which is really useful for like hiding something in the game, so nobody comes and griefs it. So they can just do this and you can hide something. And for the sky, and also if this thing takes up like 1,000 of energy, so you need the dev generator, because without the dev generator, look how much energy this takes up. It takes up like this much energy, and then once this hits 0, then it'll stop working. And you can tell because you can see it outside again, and it's that cloaking. This only really works in creative mode or testing worlds, unless you have like a source that generates a lot of electricity. There's also the sky, which is just made by placing a lot of energy shields. The sky is just a bunch of normal energy shields. I don't know why it clips to the ground like this. There is actually a trick to getting something to go on the ground when you're loading it. It's because if you get something above the ground slightly, and you like load it at the bottom of it, it'll go underground, so you really can't tell what it is. So it doesn't work perfect. And you can also make like small planets with this, because you can make like individual planets, and you can make them any color you want, which is really useful. That you can make them any color. And if you use /green, like, or green in this, it just destroys all of your objects. It doesn't do any other person's object. And with the heater, once you load it, then it'll be like really easy. Because you just have to load it, spawn in the hydrogen. And then you have the heater. And it heats up once you get the thing. Now I'll show you how to like load, how to like save something. Because it's very simple. You simply like push this button that it says paste model code. The model builder plugin never works for me. Well, if you click some parts, you don't have to click every single part like this. You don't have to click it. You can just hold click. If you hold click, then it'll save. And then you just press this button. Yeah, and the saves are really useful for like loading up a ship. I don't really know how these work, but it gets really hot. And if you want to be able to move this thing around, simply get a up here, if that's what it's called, and then set it for torso. Well, you have to get it to go to torso. There. Pick it up, and then get the thing that you saved once you save the heater, and if you attach to yourself like this, and don't move, it should attach to yourself. Just don't move, and then you can just put the hydrogen on. Where's the hydrogen? That's weird, the hydrogen disappeared. That's really weird. You can always go like this, because anything that's in a bin won't work. And yeah, I guess I forgot to type inf. Don't remember doing that. There's the hydrogen tank, and now you can bring this thing around anywhere you want. Yeah, you can bring it anywhere you want, so you can just heat up this thing. Just it loses the heat once you move like fast enough. I don't know why this titanium's not more than 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Because you could get things to go like that. And if you fly around, it works pretty good. Also, if you press F3 on the computer, then it shows all of these things. And you can also like look at things and see what it does, like this. It shows you all of this. And please comment any like secret commands that spawn like secret items that I might not know about. It shows the world, it shows the lag, and this thing shows like everything, even like the speed. Well, in this you have inf, but that's not exactly true, because an energy bomb can make it 0 for some reason. Just the problem with this is if you move really fast, then it will stop walking. Why is the heat 0 but temperature not 0? We can get things really hot with this, like really hot. think if you start running, it gets tilted to the ground, so it'll make it go like that. Or it can make things change colors a lot. Like you can make the thruster basically go neon. You can check the status of some parts. And it does a lot. The atmosphere. This also makes the atmosphere really hot. So if we're playing in the like in not in the creative testing world, I'll just destroy it. Or is that gonna destroy any planets? And also I have like a east. There's the thing. This is not actually like an actual planet, because if you look here, you can see that the crew just put some air supplies. And that's what I'm trying to do, make a third planet, because you can hide a lot of things with that. And if you hold sprint for doing this, you do it the right way. It's touching it, but I don't know why it's not doing it. Why is it not doing? Why is it not like it's acting like it's cold, even though something that's really hot is touching it? Why is this negative good? It's heating up, I mean. Oh, that's so loud and laggy. What's going on over there? Oh, I see. Never actually seen something catch fire like that. Getting really hot now. Really hot. Oh, it's gone. Do you slash clear? Oh, clean. Don't type slash clear, cause if you type slash ear in the chat, it just clears the whole chat, which isn't really that useful. Unless there's like a million people talking at once. It gets really hot. Hydrogen tank. Did someone take the hydrogen tank off this furnace? Well, that's the only problem. The nice thing is you can disattach yourself. Also, is ideally meant to disattach yourself. You can always just, yeah, and that's what I'm talking about. This happens if you try to do something. Somehow the Prio survived. But they actually made an update where they can only have 5 energy bombs at once. Like per person. You could probably use save and load to do that. It's actually possible to craft solar scopes and warheads in this game. You just need to spawn in the materials you need. And then you'll be able to craft it. So when you craft it, says you don't have the materials, you can still be able to get it. I have no idea what this is meant to be. Probably like a rocket ship ejection seat. Character assembly. There's a lot of information in this. Lag, it doesn't cause a lag. F2 disable it, and I'm pretty sure that's it.